This lesson is on using forms inside of divisions within a web page. Now you've seen how we can set up different divs on a web page with the div tag. What you may not know is that you can use more than one form on a web page. As you see here, I appear to have a different form in each division, and I do. Let's go ahead and run this. 4 apples, 5 pears, submit the information. And it comes back with the table that we've seen in the past about the number of apples and pears and how the math would work. Let's go back. So we're back at the form. I put in my name and now my birth year. Hit the submit button. Steve, 56 years old, start planning for retirement. Notice that I just got a response from the form whose button I clicked. When I clicked this button, I didn't get any information about the fruit. When I click this, likewise, it didn't try to run the form on the age. So there are separate forms, separate submits. Let's take a look at the code. This is the HTML file, and like we showed before, I had fruits as a division, and I had another division here called your age. So now I've defined the styles for these in something called basic3.css. Let's go ahead and pull that file up. It's in the CSS file, basic3. So this has the kind of styles that were specified before, and it has the additional ones down below that we saw in the last presentation. Fruits, your age, and all the positioning, all the different things that make up a box. But what I've done different this time, back to the form here, is I put forms in each one of these. I actually put a heading, and then I have a form tag here with the program I want to run. Fruits PHP, and down here I ended the form tag just before ending the division. Likewise here, in your age, I have a heading, heading 3, and I have another form tag beginning and ending within here. Another submit button, different fields. So all these fields, the first name and birth year, know to go with the program called yourage.php because it's within this single form. So that's how I got 2 forms to work. Just the pages themselves, you've kind of seen before. I'll look quickly at the fruits page. Just gets the information, does the math, and presents the information in a table. Likewise with your age. You've seen this before in an earlier lesson. So it plans if you're greater than 50, puts out the retirement message. So you can see how this is beginning to hang together. And as we develop a full application, as we take another step with the real estate program we're developing, we're going to use divisions and we're going to use forms. We're going to get a little bit more sophistication and combine all the ideas that we've learned thus far.